In this video, we will learn the difference between an HTML element, tag, and attribute. An HTML element is a piece of content on a web page, such as a paragraph, text, or image. Elements are defined by a set of tags, which are used to enclose the element's content. For example, the paragraph element is defined by the opening and closing p tag, and the content of the paragraph is placed between these tags. Attributes are used to provide additional information about an HTML element. They are added to the opening tag of an element and are written in the form of name equals value. For example, the src attribute, which is used to specify the source of an image element. And the href attribute is used to specify the link for a hyperlink element. If you like this video and want to learn more about HTML, you can check out this full playlist about HTML for beginners. Feel free to subscribe if you want to see more videos on how to become a developer. My name is Adamir, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care.